Mole.
So hello everyone, my name is Kush Modi and I am the team lead for Astrofixer. So what is Astrofixer? We are developing a global solution that fits any telescope to make them automated. That is the gist of it. What we are doing in it, we are developing software as well as hardware that can be attached and interconnect with any other system like other telescopes like a Skywatcher, a Newtonian reflector or an EQ mount. We are developing this unified system that works with all telescopes. For new people who don't know about what a GoTo system is, it's basically an automated telescope which is a plug-and-play unit where you just set up a telescope at any location and then type what you want to see. Like assuming I want to see Jupiter, the telescope automatically sways towards it. So what have we created till now and what we are going to do ahead?
This is what we have created till now. We have to do a 1-star calibration to the telescope. What does that mean? It means we have to point the telescope at a physical star whose name we know and then press align and then select the star we are looking at. For example, we are looking at Arcturus. Now it aligns with the star Arcturus, bringing it to the center. Now I have an option to search what I want to see. So I want to see moon. And then I select OK, and now it is guiding me where I can push my telescope to find where the moon is. From our assumed calibration, moon's location should be somewhere here. Here I am physically pushing the telescope. So, in the future, we will be integrating multiple aspects. First of all, automating the telescope from a push-to system to a go-to system. What is a go-to system? We will be implementing motors and gears where we can control the entire telescope from our phone itself using the gyro and rotary encoder data. We are developing a system which is clamp-on. Here I have created a 3D printed gear which will be open source and available on my website soon, where it clamps inside these small grooves in the clutch of the telescope. And there will be a motor mount which will be clamping on this part and this part to cover both the axes of the telescope. We can add more motors in this system for an automated focuser and a dew heater as well. For now, what the future functionalities will include is a go-to system. For example, now I search for the moon. Other than me pushing the telescope to find the moon, it will automatically move towards the moon in the go-to system. We will be implementing preferably stepper motors, but due to keeping the low cost of the system to make it affordable for everyone, we might also use Johnson A grade DC motors. And this project will be completely open source. That means the software, the hardware components and the electronics are going to be available online where anyone can follow our project guide and make their own systems. We are also going to be adding functionalities for future scopes for predicting weather based on humidity parameters, where people can add on attachments such as humidity and precipitation and lightning sensors to determine how the weather conditions are, and a meter to understand what the light reading of the sky is, to understand how light polluted the sky is. We are also in the future going to be integrating astrometry as a technology implementation, where it will be able to align itself based on picture it takes. Like taking a 30-second exposure image and then processing it through a LM model where it can determine the orientation and location of the telescope. This will be a complete, as due to its open source nature, we will be implementing many add-ons where people can add joysticks, they can add proper trackers, they can add a full-on astrophotography gear on their telescope and at a very small budget. Thank you.